Hi you guys! Today it's Monday and Monday happens to be my marathon laundry day. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. We live in a split foyer home, so all the bedrooms are upstairs, the laundry is downstairs where I'm at right now. And so there's a lot of stairs involved today, and I really feel like I get a lot of movement in today. So I hope you find some motivation in this. Maybe get a couple of loads of laundry done yourself. What is it about an empty laundry basket? So I finished up with our laundry. Usually have 2 loads a week, and my husband's stuff gets set there, except for socks and underwear that I usually put away. So this will get set here until he gets home. Alright, so I'm just sitting down for a few minutes. As you can see, there's no tips and tricks about how to look great on laundry day, but it works for me because I am at home on Mondays, and so I have the opportunity to get it all done, and for me it works as like a reset button. So I'm a little bit more, I guess, task oriented than I am like the zone cleaning that I know works for some people, following the Fly Lady system. And there are definitely things that I get done every day, like cleaning the kitchen or shining the sink, those kinds of things. But like I've said before, you just have to find something that works for you. So for me, getting all the laundry done on Mondays works. Another thing that has cut down on the time that it takes me is that I get the laundry from the laundry room and then I fold it in their bedrooms. So my 2 older daughters and my husband are all in charge of putting their own laundry away. I have folded it. All they have to do is get hangers or put it in drawers wherever it goes. My younger daughter is almost 5, and she will help if she happens to be in the room, but I don't mind just putting her stuff away. And for me, I put my stuff away each load as I'm folding it, which you have seen in this video, and that just is quick and easy for me, and then it's finished. So you might not be able to do all of your laundry in one day like I do, but maybe you've picked up some tips and tricks on some quick ways to get things done. If you have found something in this video so far that you have liked and that you might implement, then leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss a video in the future, then be sure to subscribe and even hit the bell button so that you're notified whenever I post another video.
Oh, get a treat. Oh, get a treat.
All right, all finished with laundry for the day. And I'm gonna start dinner. We're probably gonna have something easy like spaghetti and meatballs. And then we'll clean up the living room later tonight because it is super messy, but that's okay because she's been playing and playing all day while I've been getting laundry done, so can't complain about that. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hope you found something that you can use in your life. Please like, subscribe, and comment so I know that you were watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.